Welcome to QuickHub. In this video, we'll show you how to raise a support ticket so you can easily report an issue or request assistance from the support team. Start by opening QuickHub and go to the dashboard page. From the menu, click on Need Assistance. Here you'll see several support options. Select Raise a Ticket. Next, click Submit a Ticket to open the support form. Enter your requester email and name in the given fields. Then, type the subject of your request. Click the Type dropdown and select the category that best fits your issue, such as technical support, billing, or general query. In the description box, provide clear details about your request or the problem you're facing. Once all fields are complete, check the box for I'm not a robot, then click Submit to send your ticket to the QuickHub support team. After submission, you can view your ticket status directly in QuickHub and track updates, responses, or resolutions in real time. And that's it. You've successfully raised a support ticket in QuickHub. Our team will review your request and get back to you soon. Stay tuned for more QuickHub tutorials to help you make the most of your workspace.